Welcome to Singapore!
Singapore?
Just kidding. Where are we? Welcome to Vietnam!
Welcome. This is Ho Chi Minh City, otherwise known as Saigon.
마음에 들어?
너무 착착.
Got the well done brisket.
It is very well done.
The combination of all kinds of beef, greens, lemons, bean sprouts. The broth is so good. 맛있어?
완전 맛있어. Thank you. Oh, baby. Look at this. Where's the video?
That's such a cool bottle.
It's so cool.
It looks very Chinese.
I mean, let's be honest, your bottle is significantly cooler.
I love coconut.
Vietnam is very nice.
Yes, the weather is actually quite good. It is humid, so my hair is sticking to my face, but
It's very nice here. Why am I like that food?
why are you like this?
I don't know.
Our first impressions of Vietnam?
Very. Where am I? Very green. So many bikes.
There's a lot of bikes. A lot of bikes. Oh, they have a double-decker city tour bus. And it's red. Can they see that?
I'm guessing that is where.
Just a second, please. Okay, continue.
I'm gonna guess that they left this in this group of. I don't know. I just guess. I was gonna start vlogging. We're in the main touristy area of like nightlife. So there's Gucci, Tudor watches.
When were those things classified as nightlife?
Rich people nightlife. Instead of partying, they buy stuff. I definitely wouldn't come here if I wasn't going to eat food.
Vietnam has so much food. That is so true.
Because it just seems a little bit like everything else, but the food is amazing here.
So yummy.
So it makes it worth it. Plus the greenery is really nice.
It's a very green city. It's a very green city.
And the cost is quite good. I just got a Magnum for 29,000. That's insane. Like, actually it's insane. I spent more on the Kit Kat than I got on the Magnum.
Is that ours? Yes, that's
Yes.
our grab.
you all black? It's like a pear.
It's like a pear apple.
Where's the flavor? There's nothing in it, just water. I mean, it's fine, but I would never eat that apple.
Have you tried dragon fruit?
No.
Can't believe you asked to pick the seeds from the dragon fruit. Babe, there's too much. It's like picking seeds from strawberry.
No, I mean, can I just like try a little bit like this? You see this little bit here?
Just take a bite.
잠깐만.
아니야, 그냥 먹어.
알았어.
Smells like dragon fruit. This is literally dragon fruit smell.
It smells like a type of like sauce that you put on a meal on the side. But like cranberry, you know, like cranberry sauce.
It smells like sugar, to be honest.
왜 그래? 난 먹어있어. It's way better than that.
Really?
No, but it had taste like something. It just tasted like wetness.
We can't get into the store-bought coconut. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We had a lazy morning. We're going for Christmas dinner. Man moi. We're dressed, I don't know if you can see, we're dressed cutesy. We're heading for dinner at a, pretty sure they described it as authentic Vietnamese restaurant.
Homey, authentic Vietnamese
Yes.
restaurant.
I found it on TikTok. So
No, I found this one.
I did. And then I made you make reservations, remember?
No, I found this one though.
Anyways, thank you. Merry Christmas. Merry Chrysler.
Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler.
Cool.
New Coke can unlocked.
Watch me ASMR pour. I know what you're thinking. This is an ordinary Coke. No. It's Vietnamese Coke.
I can't even hear it in person. I don't think they can hear it through the camera.
I'll do it for you. 12 days of Christmas. What is given on the 5th day? 5 swans are swimming. 4, 5 gold rings. 5 turtle doves. 5. It all makes sense. Golden rings, 2 gold rings, 2 rings. That no.
Okay.
5 swans are swimming. 5 major. I think it's swan.
It's golden rings, guys.
Which Christian saint is the figure behind Santa Claus?
St. Nicholas?
I knew it. Saint Nick.
Wow.
This is not just pork. This is grilled pork skewers on a bed of salad made from Vietnamese stuff and some lovely caramelized garlic. I'll try the garlic right now.
It tastes like onions, by the way.
That was caramelized onion, not garlic.
Cheers.
Boom. That's really nice.
Shrimp and pork belly. We devoured this appetizer.
I'm devouring just plain rice right now.
You shouldn't, babe. We have food coming.
Better. Well, that's just me.
I'd say the pork is better, but that's just me.
We think that's ours.
It's definitely ours. If it isn't, I will take it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hey.
But that definitely is like, I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but this duck.
Camera's here, babe.
Oh, sorry. This duck looks so good. Wow. I mean, this is delicious, baby. This is quickly becoming my favorite part of the meal.
Do you know what golden berries are?
No? You like them?
I do. I don't think you would.
Okay. Mmm. What a lovely meal.
It's quite a bit prettier at night.
Ah, the Ghibli house.
Mm-hmm.
It's really, really nice.
Food was good.
It was really nice. Enjoying your picture in front of it, baby? Sorry.
No, they're ringing the bells, and it's only 6:45.
Did you read that?
That's an ugly light, but Mary's pretty. This is so much prettier. Unboxing.
So this is the Coke. I feel like the entire vlog.
Mm-hmm.
Is it video? It's video on or off yet?
It's on.
Oh. I feel like the entire vlog I've been drinking Coke and Pepsi, but
You have.
and there wasn't my year, which is the rat, and there wasn't Hanny's year, but I got the year of the tigers,
Cute.
and it's actually super fucking cute.
Cute.
Really, I actually really like this. I wish I can get one for the rat if we find another mini stop, but really happy with my purchase. That's the end of my
I can't
vlog.
believe we went to like 2 ceramic stores. This is what we ended up getting.
To be fair, this was the better price.
True.
Yeah.
We can't figure out how to turn off that light, so Paul made a little concoction, and it's perfectly covering the light. It looks so much brighter on camera.
Yeah.
This is how it actually looks in real life.
At the moment, this is it's got, I mean, I assume they're official. It's got the official ones from España 82. So that's 42 years? 46
You're on
years?
camera.
46 years? I don't know. A long time ago. which is really cool. I mean, the fruits I don't really care about, but let's see if we can find some more España ones.
We're writing Christmas cards to each other at the central post office. This is what I picked. I bought 2 of these for myself to stick on my wall back at home. And then this, I'm gonna write for Paul.
Press the button.
What button? This one? This is so loud. Slow.
What do you think of the card, guys? It's so cute.
I honestly think mine's a little cuter.
Definitely the handwriting is a lot cuter.
But mine doesn't sing.
Mine looks like, you can't even see mine, it's pencil, but look at my artwork.
Mine doesn't sing. Thank you, baby. Can't believe you brought this all the way from Korea.
Actually, it's been in my bag for 2 months. I bought it in October.
So far, a Coca-Cola, guava juice. 맛있다.
Babe, we're here to haggle, okay? For good prices, for good honest work.
You look so done with me. Kind of like a, does it come up? Oh, slay. Since before we came to Vietnam. 잘 먹겠습니다.
Ding.
You look so hungry.
Oh, it's on me.